lines and columns, and they take another matrix with coefficient Bij, and this one should be n line and p column.
I am Abdenacer Makhlouf. I am a professor at the University of Haute-Alsace. I was graduated from Mulhouse University and got my PhD in 1990 in mathematics. And since 1991 I am working at University of Haute-Alsace. First was hired as an associate professor, and actually I'm full professor. I am acting as a director of math department and also as one of the vice presidents of the university since 1 year. I am also head of international relation office of my faculty, and I am in charge also of one master there dedicated to mathematical engineering and data science. I'm specialist in algebra, but working mainly in the domain of deformation theory and associative algebra. I do my research in this theme, but I'm also open to applications like for automation, etc. The course I think is called Mathematical Modeling and Applied Statistics, and my aim is to provide students with an overview of main tools of mathematics needed for computer science and artificial intelligence. Then I treat themes about polynomials and graphics and also matrices. And mainly I dedicate a good part to interpolation and Bézier curves, which applies an important role in the industry of cars, for example, and also in many other domains. They need notions about polynomials, about curves, about surfaces, and this is quite important, I think, for computer scientists to know. We deal also with matrices because it's also a good subject for computer scientists. And for example, for data science, one needs one type of matrices called sparse matrices, which are important. In fact, we have matrices with a lot of zero, for example, and this is quite important. And I give them some basics about this. And also we have a last part which is dedicated to statistics and applied statistics. It is clear that artificial intelligence is playing a huge role in our life and in the future too. Then we have to prepare students with skills around these subjects, which is clear that students should have skills about computer science, but they should also have some transversal skills, and they should also be open-minded to other sciences. I mean, and math maybe could be a common denominator, because our aim when teaching mathematics is to help students to have a good reasoning. I mean, one of the first objectives of math is reasoning, then to know how to reason and to conduct a problem in various domains. I mean, and if you have the skills of reasoning, then you could maybe provide a good solution. And of course, if you have to think about the problem and to try to find some solution, but of course you need tools, and that's why the second objective is also to provide tools to students, and they have to have these tools in order to face the new challenging in artificial intelligence. I mean, this is quite important. around this there is many things to do. I think that the students of UFAZ are quite well prepared for this, because surely this artificial intelligence is playing an important role, but I'm quite convinced that we need also this human intelligence, and we should provide students and help them to keep this human intelligence for the future, because these tools, we have to think also about the new discovery, then what will be the future. This is what our job too, not just to take this at the moment. I like really the atmosphere here at UFAZ, and I should say also that UFAZ is perfectly organized. I'm happy with this, and students have a chance. And what I should say that most of the students are really invested and interested by what they are doing here. But my advice will be for students to keep open minds. And another advice which I give to everybody is to love what you do. This is really very important. And I wish them success in their studies and also in their life.